What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, Oreo released these new chocolate confetti cake Oreos for their 110th birthday. And today, we're going to use these to make a vegan Oreo confetti cake. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 pack of chocolate confetti cake Oreos. If you are watching this at a time these aren't available, then maybe they'll bring them back one day, but if not, any kind of Oreo will work. Some kind of vegan vanilla or white confetti cake mix, as well as some vegan chocolate confetti cake mix. You also need some vegan ingredients to make the vegan cake mix. So I have some vegetable oil and some chocolate vegan yogurt, as well as some vanilla vegan yogurt. And you'll need 2 containers of vegan chocolate confetti frosting. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our vegan Oreo confetti cake. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.